Hey there, 5th and 6th grade. We're just going to do a little tutorial on Moby Max, and I know a lot of you are like, what for, Mrs. Aiden? Already know how to do this. Well, Moby Max has kind of had a facelift. We also have some people that have the same name, so a few passwords have changed. But I'm going to show you one of the most important things about signing in, because if it's not done correctly, you're not going to get to where you need to be. So you go ahead and type Moby Max into your search engine. Once you get there, you're going to click it on. Now, I'm going to pretend to be a student. You're going to see that it's going to ask for your school name, and you can click on Find and maybe nothing will show up. So I'm going to go ahead and put in Pocahontas. Once Pocahontas is in there, I want you to see what shows up. Now, you might want to jump right here to Pocahontas Upper Elementary, but notice the state is not Iowa. Pocahontas Elementary School, guess what? It's Illinois. It is not going to work for you if you click on one of those. So scroll down. You're going to find Iowa. Hopefully by now we all know that IA are the initials for Iowa. You're going to have to find Pocahontas Area Elementary School. So 4 words, Pocahontas Area Elementary School, and it's Iowa. We're going to click that one on. Now, you're going to look at the 2 highlighted names on the piece of paper that the guest teacher is giving you. It's going to have your last name and your first name, and then you're going to have 2 things that are highlighted. Your first one you're going to type in here, and I'm just going to type in guest, and then your password you're also going to type in. Some of you, it might be your name, some of you have numbers attached, but you're going to go ahead and type in what was highlighted, and that will let you in. A lot of times you're greeted with some kind of daily challenge or a little joke or a little riddle or what have you. That's fine. If you do come up with a daily challenge, you can go ahead and do it. No big deal. So it's got a lot of different things that you can look at up here. Okay. Oops, I really didn't want to do that. I'm going to go back in again. And what I'm wanting you to find once you get in, and you're going to probably see a bigger menu, but I want you to find what you would see as vocabulary. So I'm clicking on the books, but you probably will have a little house that takes you to home. And you're going to see different things on here, and I'm wanting you to just try out the vocabulary today. Don't do anything else, because some of these things are set for you to kind of see where your placement is at. It's really important that nobody reads it to you, that you read it on your own, and that you just do your best. This isn't really a test or anything. If you don't do well on it, then I'm going to figure out where I need to set you. If you do really well, maybe you need to go on a different level. So you're going to click on vocabulary.
Start with your placement test.
And it calls it a placement test, but really I'm just seeing how well you can handle the words.
At the right level.
You want to use your earbuds because it's probably going to talk to you. There's an option where you can listen to it.
Fool.
The word is fool. And if you don't know what these words say, you can click on it and it will read them to you, and you click on what you think is the best answer, and then you go to the next one. So that's what I'm wanting you to do for today. The biggest thing is just to remember, when you're logging in, you've got to find Iowa, okay? Otherwise, it's not going to work for you. Good luck.